Here's how I charge high ticket rates for sales copywriting projects. Hi, I'm Christa Nichols. I'm a sales conversion specialist. I regularly send out proposals and have them accepted for tens of thousands of dollars at a shot. How do I do it? In this video, I'm going to break it down for you so that you can see how simple it is and know exactly what to aspire to as you grow your business and your skill level so that you can charge high ticket rates too. There are really important things right off the bat that are going to make a huge difference, and you need to keep these in mind as you get started. Number one, your results. Do not charge high ticket rates if your results cannot back it up. There's plenty of clients out there who are willing to pay high ticket rates, but they want high ticket results too. The second thing you want to remember is that there are certain types of copywriting projects you can get paid more for. You're going to be able to charge the most for direct response sales copy projects like this, but you're not going to be able to charge as much for these types of projects. Oftentimes they come to you for one type of project. Once they tell you what they want, you're then going to be able to open the door and help them see other things that they might need. So if they say, I need a sales page, you have the ability then to ask, awesome, I can totally do that for you, but have you thought about having some emails for the back end to recapture sales? What about video scripts for the sales page? Do you need help with that? And what's your traffic source? Will you be sending ads? Do you need ad copy? And are you clear on the exact message that your customers need to hear in order to buy? Do you need messaging and strategy? Now a proposal that was initially this can actually be worth this. When you approach discovery calls from the lens of what they want and what they need, you're able to create very valuable proposals that showcase your expertise and your strategic marketing mind so that they want and are excited about investing more in your services. Follow me for more tips on charging high ticket rates as a freelance copywriter.